Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and we have May's GlossyBox to unbox today. And this is very kindly sent to me from GlossyBox just for reviewing purposes. It's not in exchange for a positive review. I don't agree to those things. I will say though, I have a discount code to offer. I don't make any money off of it. It's just for you. You can get your first GlossyBox for $1 if you sign up for a year of GlossyBoxes. Again, I will leave my link below if you want to use that discount code. And without further ado, here we go. One thing I will say, and this is such a stupid like aesthetic thing, I really like that this is not taped. I like that you can kind of just pull that and it's open. I really appreciate things like that. Now, this box is really, really pretty. The box itself, I don't know what's in it. When they send the email saying, here's your tracking and stuff, they let me know what's in my box. But I never look. I don't like having surprises ruined. So the theme for this month, which is May, is Let the Sun Shine, and it's a nice heavy feeling box, given that like half the things are usually like deluxe sample size stuff, and then you get like an odd and end full size product in here. So we have the pamphlet right here. Thankfully it tells you what everything is. And this used to annoy me. It doesn't annoy me now because I don't know, I kind of get it. When they tell you what's in here, if it's a deluxe product, they tell you how much the amount that you've gotten is worth. Not that they would sell it for that amount, but they break down the full price and say, okay, if the full product is an ounce and you got half an ounce, then it's worth 40 bucks instead of 80. It's worth. They don't sell those kind of things. So just so you know. But another thing that kind of is like, rubs me the wrong way a little bit is some deluxe samples like you can get from like Sephora and stuff like that. So again, there's always pros and cons to these kind of boxes, and it just depends on what your likes and dislikes are when it comes to these kind of things. So, okay, so here's the box. It's always wrapped real nice. I like things that are wrapped nice. And the first thing, I think this is tanning, isn't it? I thought this was like something from Saint-Tropez. This is the Uriage Eau Thermal Water. What the hell is that? The full size is 150 mil and this is 50 mil, so this is worth around like $3. Packaged directly at the source in the French Alps, bonjour, and filled with mineral salts. The skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. Perfect for those hot summer days. I mean, it's water, so I highly doubt it smells like anything, but that felt nice. I'm gonna actually throw this in my handbag. The next is from Nails Inc, and this is the Be Yourself Incredible Stylish in Blossom Kisses. It's just like a pretty kind of muted, kind of pinky mauve. I'm just gonna throw this in my giveaway thing because I peel my nails and bite them. It's like a nervous anxiety thing. I've done it my entire life. So I don't use nail polish. And the smell gives me a migraine. All right, the next thing I see is don't sniff or huff these. This is from, I never know how to pronounce this name, Neep. It has a K, but I'm assuming the K is silent. Neep. I'm gonna say Neep. Mineral bath salt, dream away, valerian and hops with essential oils. I'll actually save this for like my kid or something. This is a packet, 2.0 ounces. The full size is 17 ounces. Like this is, the full size is worth around $20, which is pricey for Epsom salt. This itself is worth like $4, which you could get a whole bag of Epsom salt for like $4 or $5. But I mean, okay. I'm kind of intrigued though it has valerian root in it. After a busy day, nothing's better than a stress-relieving bath. Promote better sleep thanks to the calming benefits of valerian essential oil. Pure uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. Great. I'll throw this in like my daughter's bath or something. And the next thing is from Bella Pierre, and this is a full size. Okay, so this is one of the things that isn't listed here because not everyone gets exactly the same thing. There's always like one or two things that are off. So I don't know how much this is, but I'll find out. They put brow gel in the shade Chestnut. Okay, so it's like a little tiny actual bristled brush. Yeah, I'll save this, I'll try it. All right, the next thing is here is from Aveda, which is a professional hair brand. Nuetriplenish Leave-In Conditioner for all hair types. Shake well, lightly mist, damp or dry hair for added nourishment, tangle, and style as usual. This amount, which is 30 mil, the full size is 200 mil, is worth about $12. The full size is 37. Shield your hair from UV rays. Okay, so this will be good for summer, especially for me because, well, obviously. Shield your hair from UV rays, heat damage with this 98% naturally derived formula, free of silicones, parabens, sulfates. It protects against the drying effects of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day long. Okay, thanks. And it seems like the last product is, oh no, that sucks. I really wanted this other thing in here. I mean, this is cool, but like the other thing would have been more exciting. I think you could have got either this, which is from Earth Harbor, which we just got Earth Harbor and BoxyCharm too, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was either, okay, it was BoxyCharm or Ipsy, I don't fucking remember. So this is the HELIOS Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule, and unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants, daily skin stressors. This ampoule is necessary for skin in the need of after-sun replenishment, bold defense against the elements, and thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes skin's pH, and smooths fine lines. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning, massage until absorbed, follow with moisturizer. This retails for $48. And I did really like the oil I got last time, but what I was kind of bummed about is I could have got this Do You Flawless Liquid Highlighter from Josephine Cosmetics. I would have really liked that. And that was just for this month's box. I mean, overall, I think it was pretty good. The bath salt I won't use, but somebody will. I think this was nice. This is cool. The nail polish was fine, but you know, I won't use it. The hair stuff I'll use. So overall, it was a pretty good box. Let me know what you got in your glossy box. What am I saying? Let me know what you got in your glossy box this month. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.